Hi there, welcome back to Earth Science Quarter 4. We are now on Lesson 15. Okay, let's see. So let's do our mindfulness. So I hope you're really doing these with me. So take a deep breath in and blow out. One more and blow out. And a third one. Do your attitude of gratitude. Think of one little thing you are grateful for. This really does help with your mind. Okay. All right. So let's look at our agenda. So our questions today, we've been talking about climate and weather. So I'd like you to be able to think of at least one difference between the two of them. They are related, but they are not the same thing. So think about something that is different between the two. All right, today's daily funny. So the other day I held open the door for a clown. It was a nice jester. Like jester is a clown, gesture is what you're doing there. All right, learning target. I will explain ideas from the video related to global warming that may impact weather and climate. Norms for this lesson, you're going to commit to listening skills to get information from the video and commit to respectfully interacting with my group or classmates. I do want you to maybe check in with somebody, but like maybe text or email, but if you can't do that, we can get around that by Googling some stuff. But anyway, terms today, we're thinking about weather, climate, and global warming, and the phenomena of global warming. So what we did previously, what we're doing moving forward. So we had compared weather and climate, and now we are going to begin to consider how global climate change may impact weather and climate. Okay, and so this is where people and their actions start impacting our world around us. We're going to be thinking about our human impact on the climate and the weather. Okay. So activities. First of all, you should have done this yesterday, but I don't think all of you did finish it. So think about the proper paragraph from yesterday's Think Then Write. Did you finish that? So if not, make sure you get that done. It does need to be submitted, okay? You also, some of you guys already did this, some of you guys did not. So a few days ago, a few lessons ago, we were working on a chart, a KWL chart, comparing weather versus climate, and that last column was for what you learned. So if you have not yet finished that column, make sure that you are doing that last column. So now you have 3 columns filled in, and you are going to also submit that. So again, those are things that we probably should have already done or almost done. All right, next thing we're going to be doing, there is a 3-minute video from the National Geographic, and it's showing information about the causes and effects of global warming. So I want you to go to that video. I'll put the link in the Google Classroom, okay? And you are going to start the worksheet that is called Causes and Effects of Global Warming. So watch the video, pause the video as you need or whatever. You at the top half of the video, I need you to write down 5 ideas that you personally got from the video, okay? So do that first. After you're done with that, then this is where, like if you can, great. If you can't, we'll get around it. I would like you to check with some others. You still have classmates, even though they're on here virtually. Maybe email them or text them or whatever. Check in with them. If you can't, you can just Google some extra ideas. But I want you to get at least 5 more ideas about this idea of the causes and effects of global warming. So that's going to be a total of 10 on the worksheet. So you have your own 5 from the video, and then I need another 5 for a total of 10. Got it? Okay. All right. Then when you're done with that, that's a pretty easy lesson, okay? So for the wrap up, you should be able to explain ideas from the video related to global warming and how those ideas might impact weather and or climate. Homework. So remember, there are lots of ways you can submit your work. You can take a picture of your written work, or you can just put these into Google Docs, or whatever way you're going to share them. Make sure that they are going into your folder that you have shared with me. So again, previously, you should have already done the Think Then Write, okay? You should also have finished the KWL chart. We just finished up that last column, what you learned, okay? So that was pretty easy to do. And then today, the only thing really you were finishing or doing today was the causes and effects of global warming. So make sure all 3 of those get put into your Google Drive. Please email me if you have any questions. Again, my email is searingm@mapleton.us. I hope everything is going well. I hope to hear from you if you have anything that you need clarified or just want to chat. I miss every single one of you. Please take care.